What's up, C-Mac Nation? I'm gonna go get my haircut because I definitely need a haircut. So, I'll see you later. Got my haircut, you know, and I shaved to look nice. Whenever I get my haircut, I get it spiked up in front, but, you know, I put it down all the time because it shows my pimples, so, you know. Once I get rid of those, then I'll spike it up all the time. Just to let you guys know, I just bombed some Nazis. And if you don't know what that is, that's what I call taking number 2. And it smells magical. No, it smells bad, but I always, because mine smell like freaking, like, I don't know, the sewer. I always have to, you know, spray. That's why it smells magical, because of this. So, if you live in Illinois, or not in Illinois, if you live in Mount Prospect or Arlington Heights, you know that it's freaking boring. So right now I'm freaking bored. I don't know what to do. But hey, shut up. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Today I'm probably gonna play some video games. Maybe do something later tonight. What? You want to say something, Kiwi? Huh, Kiwi? Say something. Okay, whatever. That's this. I'm watching, or we are watching, my, aunt's, pet parrot, or whatever that bird is, for a week. So, whenever Kiwi comes, that's his name, whenever Kiwi comes down, because birds make noises all the time, it gets annoying. All the time. Me and Kiwi don't see eye to eye, so, I mean, we don't see eye to eye. No. No, we don't. No. Say hi to the camera. Come on. Say hi to the C-Mac Nation. Come on. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, we don't see eye to eye at all. He's a guy, and he only, for certain guys, or certain boys or whatever, he likes, but usually he likes the girls. But so, like, if I put my finger, like, in a cage, he would try to, like, bite it off. So right now I'm about to play some AC3, some Assassin's Creed, and kill some mofos out there. So before I play this game, I gotta get pumped up to kill someone, you know? So, boom. I'm playing right now. So. Shit. Come on, kill these mofos. Oh, boom, come on, kill him. What the hell? Come on. Yeah. I'm usually a beast at the game, but because I was holding the Canon camera and playing at the same time, it was kind of hard. That's why I was getting hit so many times. So for all you people that play video games and like troll on other people's video game walkthroughs and say they suck, well, you know what? F you. How about that? I'm so bored. I'm done playing with AC3 Assassin's Creed, but I want to get that gaming device that you hook up to your console or TV or whatever and your computer, and then you can do commentary stuff on it, because I would be funny at commentary with doing video games. I would love to do commentary with AC3, not commentary, but like, yeah, commentary for AC3, walkthrough for God of War, and commentary for WWE 13. But it's so expensive. It's like $300 to $600, which sucks, cause like for WWE 13, I get into it with the commentary. Like, I say funny shit when I play that game. It's so nice out. Is my pool open? Can you guys see it? Can you guys see water? Shit, come on. Come on, what the fuck? It's locked. Come on. Yeah, this is my pool. It's a pool / hot tub. Yeah, that's how I roll. Yeah. How many people can say they have a pool and hot tub built to go? I'm watching a late night movie on this Saturday night. Didn't do much really today. So I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So bye bye. Guys, I finally became a Power Ranger. Oh yeah.